advise a set direction. Obstacle center
Okay.
unavailable.
Now start walking. Okay, just turn around and run. Okay, don't get close to a tree. Okay, just stop. Okay.
Go, go, go. Oh, yeah. Wait. I went as fast as I can. I think I'm going to be faster than Kai. But I think I'm in my lesson. When I'm going really fast, I don't want to stop right away because
Okay, come back over here, Kai.
that's so
Okay. Okay. Stay away from the trees. Okay, come on back here, Parker. Okay, stop. Oh, it lost you. It lost you. Go back. I think it picked up the.
Subject lost. Focus
Go in front of it. There you go. See it? It frames them.
Okay. Oh, it tracks them up.
Yeah.
Hunter, don't be crazy. Don't go by the table and drink.
I want to do it again so bad.
For some reason, I think that fire pit kind of confused it a couple times. Okay, walk toward it. Walk toward it. Okay, it'll land, I think. Okay, come on, come back over here. Okay. Oh, you outrun it. Yeah, that fire pit kind of confuses it for some reason. You gotta get in front of it.
Subject lost.
Okay, gotcha.
Disabled.
Gotcha. Yeah. You right there?
Oh my gosh, guys.
Yeah, it does. Don't get right. Yeah, I think it's getting a little dark for it.
Got it.
walk over there.
Please repeat your
Just walk.
command.
See, with those prop guards on there, it helps for when it bumps it into stuff. Yeah. Yeah, this is all being recorded. Okay. Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, there it goes. Oh, lost ya. There you are. Go over in front of it. Okay. Yeah, see, it gets over that. It gets over the fire pit and it loses it for some reason.
Subject lost. Focus track disabled.
Okay, go stand right in front of it. Go out a little ways. Okay, come back over by the campsite. Come back over here. It's getting a little dark for it now. Oh, it lost you. Go over in front of it. It's looking up for you. Yeah, it's too dark. It lost you.
Lost.